Mag-return and earn na naman tayo. Happy Saturday sa lahat. Sipag-sipag ni Beth. So, good morning mga beautiful people. Today, nag-return and earn na naman si Bestie today. We're gonna start our day with extra piso. So, after the routine, every Saturday mag-grocery. Every weekend. So, tara! I'll see you later! Every Saturday na lang ako ng hits ng car para mag-grocery kasi wala akong sasakyan. Thank you, Han, for the free ride every Saturday shopping. So, yan. Kasi yung asawa ko is going to work. So, today, mag-grocery ako ng importanteng bagay lang at mag-window shopping na lang. So we're going to Stockland, the big mall in town, to reverse the car in the other park. So go Bestie, and happy Saturday sa lahat. It's time to shopping galore. So some shopping. It's a beautiful day in Australia. Reverse. So, pansin nyo guys, ang daming mga car dito. Daming mga nagka-car pa nagsha-shopping.
As you know, I remember
everybody! Saturday, shopping day! Let's go! Laki-laki ng bag ni Fish. So, let's go inside. We're here in Kmart, Stockland. So, let's start. We need to QR code and we're gonna show our boxing, no?
no, because
This
waiting.
Christmas, Christmas Santa.
You go shopping. I
La
go shopping.
la 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 la. So we're here. I don't know where. We're gonna have a look. Yeah. Oh, but it's a bit too late. Look. Wanna open it? One.
I'm putting my.
Okay. A free shoe. Right? Wow, it's so cute. Merry Christmas. Mother. Everything's so cute anyway.
What? Everything's
So cute. This also. Our shopping, and then supposed to be mag snacks kami. We're gonna have something to eat, but it's really busy, so
You're gonna buy nuggets in Macca's.
yeah, we're just gonna get what's that?
Nuggets.
Yeah, drive through, or we go inside. Okay, so let's go. It's getting really busy, so let's go into McDonald's. Getting busier in the road. Because I used to you know. Thank you. Uh-oh. Sunday float. Sunday float, but it's Saturday. Sunday, but it's Saturday. So let's go. Mga beautiful people, hi! Andito ako guys in Hans Leah's house. we just had no, we just finished our grocery shopping, and then dito ako magla-lunch in Layan sa Charot. Hello! Guess where am I? Happy Saturday! I'm here again! Hello! And let's have a look the beautiful Christmas tree! Wow! And ang daming present! Round the down to the top! Wow! Pretty Christmas tree! It's really Merry Christmas indeed. And basic, this is the best. Insert fridge. Ah yes. Make noise. Feliz Navidad. This is gonna cook for lunch.
No food, just fried.
Yeah, fried. Still fried. Not. I thought it's good. Thank you. I'm just coming here for lunch, dinner, just.
No, I always do that too.
Yum. So, relax, because there's the comfy egg chair. Is this cooking something yummy in the frying chips and
Spring roll.
spring roll. Some spring roll.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
I use like 5 times.
Yeah.
And it's already
We just. Hi Beth. Hello. You say something.
say something.
So it's time to eat. This is Aussie food. So no rice today. No rice. So we're gonna try some clothes, okay? We're gonna try it ready for the Christmas party. Guys, no one. It's not close on my back. It's really big.
Yeah. Since I bought this,
Yeah.
I never wear it.
I think green. With it or chili. This is not that skinny, huh? This is the next one. Say people invading dishes covered. Pagmain lang kayo if you want. Just message me if hindi pa sila doon ito. Pagmain lang po if you're interested. Saan ko kaya ito susuotin mo? Libang people ba? Hindi ko na wear it. Waiting day. For a party. Last Christmas and give you my heart. Hi there. Ready for the Christmas?
With the hair.
What's up with the biscuit? Sisterets. What's up with the sisterets? So that's a video, okay? Merry Christmas. That's a picture now.
Check it out, our
Hey? Okay. Waiting for Santo. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, so that's a picture.
Look
there.
at you smile.
Yeah, we're smiling. I finally got it.
Yeah.
And then look at the sun now.
So it's not the flare in the picture, no. We're waiting for our picture photo. We'll be going viral, hi. That's our picture there.
Gonna go viral.
Viral, no? The organizers over there. So, yay! Another year, 221.
Next year, abangan.
Ang susunod na kabanata. So, we're done with our picture to Santa Claus. So, the real Santa Claus is starting. That's a picture. Yes, every year picture. Think something to eat. Who knows? Let's go have something yummy to eat. So we're having our little snack. Nothing. Hi? What did I say?
No.
Little snack for us. So let's see.
Yeah, every time she said that. When every time she said that.
So we're going home now. Oy, anak. Thank you,
Oink,
Beth.
oink,
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 oink. With the oink, oink carried. See you on my next vlog. Please watch and subscribe. We've done our Christmas Sata. We're going home. Bye-bye. Nandito kami sa Asian Shop. Nga hindi nakala. Umuwi na sana kami tapos babalik na naman dito sa Asian Shop. So let's go. Bye, Lynn. So let's get inside. Si Best Condon. We're here, Asian Shop now. We're here in Asian Shop now. We're gonna do that's inside. Walang tao. Oh my God, a special visitor or bestie. Hello. Are you naked? Oh.
I love shade.